Namaskar all the student, myself Umesh Kanwar Shekhawat, and today I am going to start the new chapter number 1, some basic concept of chemistry. And already discussed in the first live class, that is what is the chemistry, the introduction of chemistry and the scope of chemistry. And some topics are deleted for this year due to the COVID-19. The topic is the nature and the properties and the measurement of the matter, uncertainty in the measurements, law of the chemical combinations, Dalton's atomic theory, and some limiting reagents. These topics we will discuss in a live class, and those topics which present in our syllabus for this year, those topics we will discuss in the video. Now today we will discuss the atomic mass and the average atomic mass and the molecular mass and the formula mass, and what is the difference in between the atomic mass and the molecular mass and the formula mass. To solve the problem of the conflict between the Dalton's atomic theory and the Berzelius hypothesis, Avogadro suggested that the matter consists of a kinds of ultimate properties. These are atoms and the molecules. And already discussed that is what is the atom? The smallest particle of an element which may or may not have independent existence and take part in a chemical reaction. But the molecule, the smallest particle of a substance, element, maybe, or compound capable of independent existence is called as a molecule. It means that atoms है, उनकी existence के बारे में और molecules के existence के बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे कि कौन कौन से molecules हैं. So atoms है जो कि atomic form में exist नहीं करते हैं. What is the reason? And the molecules जो है, the combination of the two or more than two atoms form a molecule and the existence of the elemental. तो यहाँ पे हम existence के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. And again that he put a hypothesis for polyatomic molecule is known as a Avogadro law, and it states that the under similar conditions of temperature and pressure, equal volume of all gases contain equal number of molecules. यानी जितनी भी molecules के जो volume होगा gases का is contain equal number of molecules. उसके molecules भी कितने होंगे, उसके equal होने चाहिए. That is the Avogadro law. And the molecules are of two types. Molecule are of two types, that is homoatomic and heteroatomic. Homo and hetero. Homoatomic molecule and heteroatomic molecule. What is the difference in between homo and hetero? Homo, it means that any molecule which have the same element. For example, that is helium, neon, argon. यानी उनकी existence की बात कर रहे हैं. Molecule क्या है? The combination of the atom, और उनकी existence को बताता है. तो existence में अगर हम बात करें तो homoatomic में monoatomic हो गए, and then the diatomic, that is H2, O2, Cl2. These are the diatomic molecules which exist in a diatomic form. Now the polyatomic, it means that एक से ज्यादा atom. तो एक से ज्यादा atom same atom होनी चाहिए, that is sulfur 8 and phosphorus 4. These are the polyatomic molecules which exist in a environment. Now the heteroatomics are, they are made up of atoms of different elements and hence are called the heteroatomic or heteronuclear molecule. For example, बहुत सारे HF हो गया, HCl, now H2O, CO2, LH3, these are the heteroatomic molecules. Now the next topic is the atomic mass. Atomic mass है क्या? एटम का जो मास होता है उसी को हम एटॉमिक मास कहते हैं. अब एटॉमिक मास कैलकुलेट कैसे होता है नॉर्मली, तो हम बात करते हैं एटॉमिक मास का. जो कैलकुलेशन देखा गया, जो कार्बन 12 के अकॉर्डिंग जो हम एटॉमिक मास कैलकुलेट करते हैं फॉर एनी अदर element, that is atomic mass of an element is defined as the average relative mass of an atom of element as compared to the mass of an atom of carbon, 12 carbon taken as a 12. And the formula for the calculation of atomic mass of an element, atomic mass equals to mass of an atom of an element upon 1 by 12 multiplied with the mass of the carbon atom, and the unit is the AMU, or you can say that atomic mass unit. Or also can the definition in the other words, the atomic mass is a number which express to how many times an atom of the element is heavier than 1 by 12th of the mass of the carbon atom, that is 12 carbon. This is the atomic mass, and hence one atomic mass unit, that is AMU, is defined as the quantity of mass equal to the 1 by 12th of the mass of an atom of the carbon unit. 1 AMU equals to, that is 1 AMU, that is atomic mass unit की जो वैल्यू होती है, that is a 1.66056 multiplied by the 10 raised to power minus 24 gram. Now the absolute mass of an atom of hydrogen is equal to, is the 1.6736 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 24 gram. This is the value of the absolute mass of an atom of hydrogen. Now the mass of hydrogen atom. The mass of hydrogen atom, that is mass of hydrogen atom equals to, now calculate करेंगे तो हमारे पास में जो values है, that is 1.6736 upon 1.66056, that is multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 24 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 24. Now we get the value after the calculation, that is 1.008, that is AMU, atomic mass unit. और जो हम हाइड्रोजन का मास देखते हैं वो क्या कहते हैं हम 1.008, बट हम उसको राउंड फिगर में 1 ही लिखते हैं. दैट इज द कैलकुलेटेड मास ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, दैट इज अ 1, एंड द कैलकुलेशन बाय द सम वैल्यूज will be calculated by some formulas. Now the next topic is gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass, its definition is that is the quantity of an element whose mass in gram is numerical equal to its atomic mass, or can say that is gram atomic mass is also called as a 1 gram atoms of the element. For example, atomic mass of magnesium. For example, atomic mass of magnesium, that is Mg, is equal to the 24, that is mu. That is the atomic mass of magnesium. Now the gram atomic mass, that is 1 gram atom of Mg. 1 gram atom of Mg is equals to the gram atomic mass of Mg is equals to 24 gram. Now 2 gram, that is 2 gram atom of Mg is equals to 2 multiplied by gram atomic mass of magnesium, that is 2 multiplied by 24 and equals to, that is a 48 gram. This is the gram atomic mass. Now, so the number of gram atom. So the number of gram atom of magnesium जिसका हम कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं इक्वल्स टू मास इन ग्राम अपॉन gram atomic mass, that is W upon GAM and W in a gram. This is the formula by which we can calculate the number of gram atoms is equals to mass in gram upon the gram atomic mass. Now the molecular mass is the definition is of a substance. The molecular mass of a substance may be defined as the average relative mass of its molecule as compared to the mass of an atom of carbon, that is 12 carbon taken as a 12. Or also we can say that the molecular mass of a substance can be calculated by the adding of the masses of all the atoms present in a molecule of the substance. For example, that is NH3. We can calculate, that is NH3 की बात करते हैं. The molecular mass of NH3 calculated by the atomic mass of the per atom which is present in a NH3, that is atomic mass of nitrogen, atomic mass of nitrogen plus atomic mass of hydrogen. The atomic mass of nitrogen equals to 14 plus 1 nitrogen है. It means that you can say that multiply by 1. जितने number of atom present होंगे multiply कर देंगे atomic mass से. तो 1 है, so 1 plus the atomic mass of hydrogen का atomic mass, that is 1. So 1 multiply by the 3 and the calculated is 14 plus 3 equals to 17 mu. That is the molecular mass of NH3, that is 17. Now the another example is the molecular mass of methane, that is methane, and the formula of the methane is CH4. The 1 carbon atom and the 4 hydrogen atom are present in a molecule of the CH4. So the atomic mass of carbon, that is a 12 multiplied by 1 plus hydrogen, that is 1 atomic mass and multiply by 4. आप राउंड फिगर में ले सकते हैं और अगर चाहे तो 1.0008 भी ले सकते हैं, that is 1.008. एंड इसका भी जो मॉलिक्यूलर मास होता है वो होता है 12.001, बट यू कैन टेक द राउंड फिगर वैल्यू. नाउ दैट इज 12 plus that is 4 and the calculated value is 16. Now this is the molecular mass of CH4 and the unit is mu, that is, or you can say also write that is AMU, that is atomic mass unit, that is molecular mass for the CH4. Next topic is the gram molecular mass. The definition of the gram molecular mass is that a quantity of the substance whose mass in gram is numerically equal to its molecular mass is called the gram molecular mass. Now the number of gram molecule we can calculate by the formula, and the formula is that equal to mass in gram upon the gram molecular mass. Now today's homework is, the question is calculate the molecular mass of the following. That is, first is H2O, HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, CO2, SO2, NaOH, KOH and the Na2SO4. Thank you very much.